So, nandito nga pala kami nag-fishing. Fishing dyan, fishing. Wala pa kaming nakuhang isda. Ito yung fishing pole ko, guys. Ayan. Wala pang isda. Sana makahuli kami kasi nga para may ulamin kami bukas. Yung bubble ko. Yung fishing pole ko, guys. Super lamig. Sad because he didn't catch fish. Ayan yung isa. Bakit? It's super cold here, guys. Lamig. Kaya parang winter outfit na itong pinanggagawa namin. Ayan, guys, oh. Ang ganda ng lake. Ayan ang sky. Super blue. Tsaka pink. Parang orange siya. Orange.
Doing one of
What
these
color is that?
tic-tac things
Nak,
again.
what color is that, Nakas? It's different in my eyes. What color is that? The clouds there. It's like orange.